Choose the correct option and complete the statements. The winter session of Maharashtra legislature takes place at dash. Option A Mumbai, option B Nagpur, option C Pune, option D Aurangabad. Correct answer is option B Nagpur. The dash appoints the governor. Option A Chief Minister, option B Prime Minister, option C President, option D Chief Justice. Correct answer is option C President. The right to summon the state legislature lies with the dash. Option A Chief Minister, option B Governor, option C President, option D Speaker. Correct answer is option B Governor. Complete the table. Houses Vidhan Sabha Maharashtra. Tenure 5 years. Elections can be held before completion of 5 years. Number of members 288. Type of election directly elected by people. Appointment of one Anglo-Indian member if required by governor. Reserved seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Head Speaker. The elected members of Vidhan Sabha elect from among themselves. Houses Vidhan Parishad Maharashtra. Tenure Permanent House. Tenure of every member is 6 years. Specific number of members retire every 2 years. Number of members 78. Type of election indirectly elected in following ways. Distinguished personalities from different fields nominated by the governor. Few elected by MLAs. Few elected from local government institutions. Few elected from teacher constituencies. Few elected from graduate constituencies. Head Chairman. The members of Vidhan Parishad elect from among themselves. Write short notes on the governor. The president is the nominal head at the center, while the governor is the nominal head at the state level. Governor is appointed by the president and holds the office during the pleasure of the president. The governor also enjoys certain legislative powers. For example, the bills passed by the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad are converted into laws only after receiving the assent of the governor. The governor has the right to summon the session of the state legislature. When the legislature is not in session but the need arises to make the law, then the governor can issue an ordinance for the same. Functions of the Chief Minister. The functions of the Chief Minister as the executive head of the state are as follows: to form an able council of ministers giving maximum representation to various regions and social groups, to distribute portfolios considering the political experience, administrative skills, public awareness, leadership, etc. of the ministers, to develop proper cooperation and coordination between departments, resolve their conflicts and make them work effectively, to lead the state, frame proper policies, implement them effectively, intervene in state issues and solve them for the comfort of the people. Answer the following brief. Enumerate the functions of the Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly. The proceedings of the Vidhan Sabha are carried out under the supervision and guidance of the Speaker. The elected members of the newly constituted Vidhan Sabha elect the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha from amongst themselves. The Speaker has many responsibilities which range from the power to prepare the order of business, to carry out the proceedings of the House in a disciplined manner, or to suspend members for misbehavior or misconduct. In absence of the Speaker, the responsibility is taken over by the Deputy Speaker. Why did the Constitution adopt a federal system for India? India is a large geographic expanse with a multicultural population. There is diversity in language, religion, ways of life, and regional characteristics. It would not have been possible to govern from a centralized place. Therefore, the Constitution has adopted a federal setup for India. What are the considerations of the Chief Minister while allocation of portfolios? After the formation of the Council of Ministers, the Chief Minister has to distribute portfolios among the ministers. While distributing portfolios, he or she has to consider the political experience, administrative skills, awareness of public opinion, leadership qualities, etc.